To begin setup, you'll need a 7/8" wrench and a large adjustable crescent wrench. Start by reaching into the top of the power unit and removing the shipping cap from the pump. Then, thread in the breathing cap for operation. Next, place the benchtop unit on a sturdy, level surface at a comfortable working height, ensuring easy access to the top of the system. Position the cell unit on top of the power unit and set up the fluid unit nearby. Leave enough space between the units for connections. Remove the fitting covers. Then connect the pump inlet line between the power and fluid units. Press the fittings firmly, then hand tighten the nut. Use a stainless steel hose to connect the concentrate return line between the cell unit and the fluid unit. Next, use the remaining hose to connect the feed inlet line from the power unit to the cell unit. With all of the hoses in place, use the 7/8" wrench and the adjustable crescent wrench to tighten each nut securely. Verify the connections are secure to ensure there are no leaks. Plug one end of the DC power cord into the cell unit, then thread it into place, and connect the other end to the power unit. Finally, connect the main power cord to the power unit and plug the other end into a power outlet.